Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an interior door handle on this 2004 Ford Crown Victoria. And we show you on the passenger side, but the driver's side is a similar procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a new interior door handle from 1AAuto.com, flat blade screwdriver, 7mm socket and ratchet, and a T30 Torx bit. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry up the switch panel and then pull directly up. Then push the tab on these harnesses and disconnect both of them. Pry out this panel behind the door handle and then remove the T30 bolt. We'll just fast forward as Don does this. Now, lining the outside of the door panel, there's 3 7mm bolts. Just go ahead and remove each of those. Pry off this triangular panel and then remove this 7mm bolt in here. Now you can lift the door panel up and off. Now on the back of your door handle, just push in these 4 clips and pull the door handle out. Push your door handle back into place. Now to replace your door panel, put those lower hooks into place and then push your harnesses up through that switch panel hole. Then line up those other hooks and push the door panel back and down over that lock rod and down into the windowsill. And we're just going to fast forward here as Don replaces the 3 7mm bolts along the outside, the 7mm bolt inside the door panel, and that T30 bolt. Replace that triangular panel. Replace that panel behind the door handle, then reconnect your harnesses, put the back end of the switch panel in first, then push down the front. And you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.